We are just trying to figure out how
to take off.
Fly this
When I
thing.
take off? Yo,
But I didn't do
guys,
it.
back up. I don't want to hit anybody.
These two young ladies did it. They did it. Get it on! I'm tired of wearing these. But anyway, this is another day. We are going camping. My little two here. They are just.
I'm going, Mommy.
Yeah.
And you.
Yes, we are going. Hold on, let me just hang up this phone.
And your
We
phone.
are. I know. I just heard the phone.
And me.
Just relax, my buddy. We are going. What do you call it? Ol MacDonald Campground. As usual, what I usually do when I get there, I'm gonna show you all the campground and the facilities that comes with. So we're gonna be at overflow. Unfortunately, no full hookup. So basically, when I get there, I have to get some water. Hello, how are you?
Good. You guys have waivers?
Waivers? No.
No,
What is that?
it's a waiver liability. You have to sign it to get into the camp.
Yeah.
It's just for insurance.
Yeah, no problem.
How many people in the car?
2 kids and 2 adults.
Sign there as the parent or guardian.
Yeah.
Next waiver, next child. Over 18, they sign for themselves.
Yeah, under 18 we do it, right?
Mommy.
Already.
Yeah, there's a fire ban.
There's a fire ban. That's sad, huh? That sucks.
No fire?
So you heard there's a fire ban. There's no fire. We never signed this before, so I guess now this is the first time that we're filling up a waiver, insurance waiver. I don't know what they call this. But anyway, we're gonna fill it up. I'm gonna be showing you all later on after we do all this. No fire. I'm really sad. I feel like I wanna cry. I'm
No
just joking.
marshmallow.
No marshmallows. You heard that already? So
No sitting
we didn't
in the
know.
hot fire.
All right, so I'm gonna see you all later.
Inside. Yeah.
Filling up the water, and these guys are helping me now. And that's where we're gonna dump later on. When we're done, we're gonna dump it right here, and we paid $25 for the night. So
Station 2?
yeah, this dump station here. This is where you dump, and
Is
the
this
best.
water for...
What I like about it is this: you don't even need to bring your own hose. See, you just pull up this and hook it up to your RV, and boom, kaboom! You don't even need it. So we're gonna fill it up. We are set up at the campsite. Overflow is $25. They're saying it's fully booked, which I don't believe. Every campground that I've been, so far they say it's booked, but never booked. Anyway, this water should be enough for us for 2 days. Then I'll see you guys later. We are set up. Huh? And I'm the only one here right now. It's gonna be packed later on. Look at him. We have a little what do you call it? There's couple wasp and flying around.
Man. It's a lot of them.
A couple wasps, that's not too much. And this guy is just basically, all he's doing is wasting his energy.
You missed
He can't kill a wasp, man. Come on, he can't kill a wasp. Why you trying to kill a wasp anyway? It's not bothering you. Din, din. Choom.
Look at me.
What? Look at these birds early in the morning. So time to take a walk to the bathroom. It's about 7:50 in the morning. So we are going to the bathroom. We gotta be very quiet. This is the bathroom right there. Pretty good bathroom, wow. For camping wise. Pretty nice. As usual, pretty good bathroom. Right there. They got 4 stoves right here. Not bad at all. Well, it's only tokens only. Wow, no loony at all. All right, So I gotta go to the office and get me some tokens. Yeah. So I walked all the way to the bathroom, find out they don't take a loony. So it's a token only. You have to go to the office. So when I get to the office, they say each token is $2. Basically, 5-minute shower over here in Ol MacDonald, it's about $2. So when you check in, make sure you get your token if you want to take a shower. But look at here what they got here. They got the sheep, the pig. Look at that. And that's goat, I believe. 3 small little pig. And they got a donkey over there. And they got a sheep right here. Look at that sheep. Huh. Well, so I gotta get back to the car, get me some extra toonies here. I got a loony. It's 2 loonies. Even when I went to the office, they say, nope, you gotta go to a grandma's kitchen, which is close to the dump station when you get in. So it's a long walk. I might just drive to the bathroom now when I get back to the car. It's a long walk for me, so well, we'll see you then later to show you all the beach. Here's the beach, but the only problem today, no sun. That's why you don't see nobody here. It's beautiful. Let's go take a walk a little bit. The sandy beach. It's beautiful. Clean water. Let's go look at it, how deep this water is. Milky a little bit. No, it's pretty clean. Nice. I am just finding out how many playgrounds they have. So I'm asking one of the workers who work at the Ol MacDonald Campground. So 6 playground, and if you have your own team, you can even make your own team baseball right here. And they got a basketball court as well, and I think about what, 9 dump station, I think. Yeah.
You're good. Come on, pal. Come on.
That guy.
Come on, pal.
Go feed it.
So the easiest way to feed the horse? You put it flat on your hand. Sam, lay your hand flat.
They even have their own little town here. So a lot of stuff for kids to do. A lot of stuff for kids to do. Massage, they even have a massage center. So we're gonna go through right now to the little market that they got right here. Gives you an idea. You'll never be bored. If you ever come to Ol MacDonald, if you want to rent a little cart right there. Market. A couple of vendors that set up. You want to buy natural honey, nuts, some clothing. Pretty steep hill. I thought I was fit, but I guess not. Down right door. Speed. end this vlog right here. So here is some of the footage that we took with the drone. So I hope you guys gonna like it, and if you do, give me a thumbs up. Till then, I will see you on the next video.